Okay, everybody, once again, we got home for the 34-hour break, and I got another unboxing to do. So this is the Kachava that I tell you guys about that is part of my diet on the truck. And so I got a new box of it. I got the acai berry flavor. Yum. It's like a coconut flavor sort of to it. Coconut acai, that's what it is. Tons of superfoods in here. I absolutely love this stuff. And then the second, I got another bag in here, and this is a chocolate. These are meal replacements, or you can use them like as a super extremely healthy protein shake because it's got all this nutritional support and superfoods in here, and they're super yummy. If you guys want to try Kachava, I put a link in the description where you can get $15 off your first order. I get $15 and you get $15. So if you want to try it out, check the link in the description. If anybody else has tried this or you are currently having it, please leave a comment. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.